Hello, fellas. If any of you are Android users and you use YouTube very frequently, then you have to learn how to open the YouTube app. Today is your lucky day because I want to teach you how to open the YouTube app in Xiaomi Redmi 4A. Okay? This video is for a limited mobile model. Are you getting it? So let's get started. First, you need to turn on the mobile data or Wi-Fi. So here is my mobile data option. Then I need to open the folder named Google. Then I need to clear in the red icon which is named YouTube. Thus you can open the YouTube app.